Hi, my name is Mazlan from Kuala 23 years old, graduate from University Technology Malaysia in Bachelor of Engineering Mechanical, specialized in manufacturing. Apart from my academic qualification as a graduate mechanical engineer, I also actively participate in extracurricular activities which help me develop my soft skills. Among my achievements, I will represent UTM in Mazlan as a rugby player. I believe my biggest strength in my character and personality. I am committed and positive-minded person who always give the best in getting my job done. I also adapt to a new surrounding while also love to learn new knowledge and skills while exploring new experience. I am also confident with my soft skills which I have developed through participating in various activities during my study. I hope I will be given opportunity to be a part of your organization and give the best I can to contribute toward achieving the goal. Thank you.